Hello, welcome to Steve Still Plays Games. Right, so we're on the Amiga, and okay, I will be honest. My original intention for this was to play Brattacus. Do you know a game called Brattacus on the Amiga? Well, that is sort of like the remnants of what used to be Bandersnatch. It was supposed to be this Spectrum mega game from Imagine, And well, it'd be nice to play the actual, what it ended up as, because I've never actually seen it. So I have it on this. I loaded it, and it's just I played it for like a couple of minutes, and it's just basically unplayable. Absolute, it's just unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. It's mouse only, and you use the mouse to move, and it was just ridiculous. I could move left and well, I could move left and right. I couldn't turn round. I can go for a lift, and that's it. I couldn't open any doors or anything. Um, I found it basically unplayable, and the thoughts that they wanted to charge like 40 quid for that on the Spectrum. Yeah, wow, unbelievable. So here we are with this game. This is a game I've never played before, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. And space? No, enter. Oh god, mouse? Is it mouse? This is good. This is great. Don't bloody work. Oh, there we go. This is Dark Castle. No idea what it is. I just saw the name on the list. I think it came out in 88, 89. Early game. And I just saw Dark Castle. I thought, ooh, that sounds like it could be interesting. Can we actually play the bloody thing? That's the question. Fire button, no. Space. And... Oh. Oh, it's mouse. It's mouse. Oh, great. Okay, so we won't begin there because I've no idea what the hell I'm doing. Oh, pardon me. Play. Okay. Oh dear God, this is not what I expected at all. You are joking. What is that character? Oh my good grief. 2 elixir, 5 lives, 60 rocks. Really got 60 rocks? So can I click to move? Okay. What the hell is this? Oh God. Can I move down with a joystick? Oh, that. Why is he pointing all the time? It's like the weirdest version of Donkey Kong you've ever seen in your life. Run! Up the ladder. Really? Stop being dizzy. Up the ladder. Oh, God, how do you go up the bloody ladder? Up's jump. Up is jump. Oh, bloody hell. Let's try down then. Let's try down. Down is down. It's fire. Can I pick that up? No. Oh, we can pick it up that. Can we go up the ladder now? Now, okay. Run. Oh. What the bloody hell is... Get up the... It's me... Oh! So I can throw rocks. Apparently I can throw rocks. What is this shit, really? Oh my God. Will he go up the... What is it with me and ladders in games? I have the biggest problem going up and down bloody ladders in games. It's unbelievable. Can we try going in a different door? That was ridiculous. Okay, let's go in that one. Surely it can't be that bad, can it? Oh. What am I doing? Apparently can't go down steps. I can throw rocks. Oh, now I can go down the steps. Make your mind up. What the? This is absolute. Really? Please don't tell me to charge money for this. Oh my god. Will you go down the stairs? Bloody hell. This is dreadful. Oh god. Wait, will you go down the bloody stairs? My god. Oh wow. Oh, what happened? What the hell happened then? The controls are horrendous. My god. My god. And this is beginner, really? Let's have a look at advanced. I can't. Why can't... Oh, enter initials. I don't want to. Okay. Let's just see what advanced is like. My god. Let's try this door. It's the same bloody thing with different colour. Oh, for Christ's sake. Oh, we've got zombies now with machine guns. Looks like machine guns. Will you go down the bloody stair? Oh, for Christ's sake. I don't think I've played a game this bad for such a long time. And I've been playing Atari Homesoft discs with real shit on, but my god, this is bad. The controls are horrendous. Wow, that was it, was it? Shall we look at a demo? So this is a demo. This is going to show us how we're supposed to play it. Okay, so throw your rocks and kill everything. And it makes moving around look so easy. It is not. It's dreadful. Right, that's what it's supposed to do. Oh my god, look at this. Bloody pitfall rope swings. Good grief. Yeah, well, I've had enough of that. So, right, that was Dark Castle by developer 360 1987. And, wow, they actually charged money for that? Wow. Okay. I never want to load that again. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.